Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PSD and showing the Layers panel so nothing is hidden. Click the Type tool, T, and directly select the text layer thumbnail to activate editing. If the layer is rasterized, undo or restore an editable version. You need vector text to change typeface, size, or content reliably. Once done, confirm font and size appear in the options bar at the top so you know exactly what you can change next without guessing or breaking layout. Now you edit the content and style. Double-click the text to enter edit mode and type your new words. This preserves tracking and baseline unless you change them. Use the options bar to swap fonts, change size, and pick color. These adjustments affect layout, so watch line breaks. For precise control, open the character panel to tweak kerning, tracking, and leading. That's why we prefer adjusting here versus brute forcing with scale. Make sure text remains on the correct layer, and finish by committing edits using Enter on the numeric keypad or clicking the check icon. Then save a new PSD version so you can revert if needed. If text causes layout shifts, reduce font size or adjust the bounding box and reharmonize spacing. Once you rasterize, you lose editability, so avoid that until final. If something goes wrong, use history to step back or replace the layer with your saved editable copy. This is the key troubleshooting move to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.